2019 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, navigation package, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, CD player, rear window defroster, power windows, security system, compass, electronic stability control, heated front seats, trip computer, overhead console, panic alarm, brake assist, power moonroof, tachometer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.